So hey guys, welcome back to Tech Buffs with yet another video. In this video we are going to learn how to open and use blocked websites in your Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browser for free without any VPN. So for this, first let us go on to the website which we want by opening the browser. So in India TikTok is blocked, so let me open tiktok.com, and as you can see here it takes some time and finally you get the page the site cannot be reached. So what you have to do for enabling this website is basically go to the settings page of whichever browser you use and go to the privacy and security tab in the settings page, and you will get a tab called security. Scroll down to the end until you see an option called use secure DNS. Click on it and enable the toggle. Then you'll get two options saying with your current service provider and another option saying with. Here we are going to use Google, which is a very good service provider which enables to use all the blocked websites without any VPN. So let us refresh the page once again so that you know that the settings are saved. Now let us close the settings page and go to a new tab and enter the same website which we checked before, tiktok.com. As you can see here, the website's opened so fast. So this website is currently banned in India, so that's the reason it says the app is currently unavailable. So you can check other websites using this method and mention your reviews in the comments. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share it with friends, subscribe to Tech Buffs and keep supporting.